All right, here I was working on a Buick Regal, like 2013-ish, front-wheel drive, and the customer was complaining that the car would shake, like kind of intermittently. And what I noticed was around above 20, 30 miles an hour, randomly, once you let go off the acceleration at around, like I said, 20, 30 miles, the whole car would shake pretty violently. Almost like a big heat shield was like shaking the whole car. Just it felt like the whole engine was shaking. And I tried to record it as best as I could, and hopefully you can hear it. It didn't capture it that well, but it felt like the whole car was shaking, like the whole motor was about to come off its mounts. And so what I ended up finding is the CV axle on the passenger side, the bearing just basically came apart. As you can see, the bearing is missing here on this intermediate shaft. And that's what it's called. It's called the intermediate shaft on the passenger side that holds the passenger CV axle. And the whole bearing is missing in that bracket. So what it really needs is the intermediate shaft. And you might be able to reuse the CV axle and maybe get the bracket too as well. I mean, it didn't look like it was damaged, but as you can see on the other side of the intermediate shaft, the parts of the bearing were right there. And unfortunately, the customer did not want to do it. I recommended they do the intermediate shaft and the bracket that holds it, but you can't really know if it needs a bracket unless you take everything apart. From what I could see, it looked fine, but because the whole CV axle was just moving around in it, it might have been damaged. But so that's why I recommended the bracket. So on this side of the CV axle where the 3 bolt holes go, if you look at the CV axle on the passenger side, it bolts down to the bracket. So that's how I verified that this is the part that it was, because I thought it was a different type of style of CV axle, because I thought it was a whole long CV axle, because sometimes that's how they come with the intermediate shaft and the CV axle just a whole one piece, but not this one. This is different. So the only one I could find is that GM part. I don't think I could find any aftermarket parts. There might be, I'm not sure. But again, if you have this same concern, look at your CV axle. To repeat the customer's complaint, intermittently her whole car would shake violently. And it took me a couple tries to get it to shake like she was describing. I would get it up to 50, 60, and the car wouldn't do a thing. It drove beautiful. But then just randomly, around 20, 30 miles an hour, once you let off the accelerator pedal, the whole car would just shake crazy. It felt really like the whole car was ready to fall apart. And like I said, it was intermittently, and you kind of had to catch it. It was really weird. So what I'm guessing is, when you let off the gas, the whole shaft would just spin like crazy around the bracket. So yeah, if you have the same concern, check that out. Hopefully this helps you out, and if you have any questions, just let me know and I'll try to help you out.